You know I love talking about hustles, new opportunities. There's something thrilling about discovering a niche that not only has potential, but is also making waves in the market. Today, we're diving into an industry that's been quietly growing and now it's making a lot of noise. Well, let me tell you about one that's been around forever but is hotter than ever: scrap metal. Yes, you heard that right. Scrap metal is not just a relic of the past, it's a booming business today. This isn't your grandpa's junkyard anymore. The industry has evolved with technology, making it more efficient and profitable. Modern facilities are equipped with advanced machinery that can process tons of metal in a fraction of the time it used to take. The scrap metal industry is booming. It's not just about collecting old metal, it's about transforming it into valuable resources. The demand for recycled metal is skyrocketing, driven by various factors including economic growth and environmental awareness. Why? Because the world needs what we've got. Industries across the globe are in constant need of metal for construction, manufacturing, and technology. Recycled metal is often cheaper and more sustainable than newly mined metal, making it a preferred choice for many businesses. Metals are the building blocks of, well, everything. From the cars we drive to the buildings we live in, and even the gadgets we can't live without, metal is an essential component. And as the world continues to develop, the need for metal only grows. And with new construction, infrastructure projects, and manufacturing on the rise, the demand for scrap is through the roof. Governments are investing in infrastructure, companies are expanding, and new technologies are emerging, all of which require a steady supply of metal. That means big opportunity for anyone willing to put in the work. Whether you're looking to start a new business or expand an existing one, the scrap metal industry offers a wealth of opportunities. It's a market ripe for innovation and growth. This isn't just about making a buck though, it's about sustainability. Recycling metal reduces waste. It helps conserve natural resources and reduces the environmental impact of mining and metal production. It lowers our dependence on mining. Mining is not only costly but also harmful to the environment. By recycling metal we can reduce the need for new mining operations, which in turn helps protect our planet. You're doing good for the planet and your wallet. Now that's a win-win. So, if you're looking for a business that's both profitable and sustainable, look no further than the scrap metal industry. It's a field with a rich history and an even brighter future. Before we continue, if you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe, and hit that little bell icon and you will be the first to be notified the next time I come up with a new bright idea that you can use to put money in your pocket. Let's talk about what really gets entrepreneurs going. Profits. Scrap metal is a cash business, plain and simple. You find it, you sell it, you get paid. People underestimate the value of scrap. They toss out copper pipes, aluminum siding, old appliances like it's nothing. But that nothing can be turned into serious cash. Here's the thing, metals like copper and aluminum are commodities. Their prices fluctuate, just like stocks. But unlike the stock market, you can see the value in your hands. You're not relying on some algorithm, you're dealing with tangible assets, and that's powerful. Alright, so you're ready to jump into the scrap game. I like your style. Starting a scrap business can be both exciting and profitable, but it requires the right tools and equipment to ensure your success. Let's dive into the essential gear you'll need to get started on the right foot. But before you go dumpster diving, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Having the right equipment not only makes your job easier, but also ensures your safety and efficiency. First things first, a good pair of work gloves. These are absolutely essential. Safety is paramount, and you don't want to be handling rusty metal with bare hands. Durable gloves protect you from cuts, abrasions, and potential infections. Look for gloves that are cut resistant and provide a good grip. A magnet is your best friend. This simple tool can save you a lot of time and effort. It helps you identify different types of metals quickly. By distinguishing between ferrous and non-ferrous metals, you can sort your scrap more efficiently and maximize your profits. A sturdy dolly or hand truck is crucial for moving heavy items. Scrap metal can be incredibly heavy, and trying to move it by hand can be dangerous and inefficient. And depending on the scale you're starting with, you might need a pickup truck or van to transport your scrap. A reliable vehicle is essential for hauling larger loads to recycling centers or buyers. Don't go overboard in the beginning. It's easy to get excited and want to collect as much scrap as possible, but it's important to start small. Start small, reinvest your profits, and scale up as you gain experience. This approach allows you to learn the ropes without overwhelming yourself and helps you build a sustainable business over time. Remember, patience and persistence are key in the scrap business. With the right tools and a strategic approach, you'll be well on your way to success. Section 4. Finding the mother lode, sourcing scrap metal like a pro. Now, the real hustle, finding the scrap itself. Think of it like a treasure hunt. Construction sites can be gold mines. Talk to contractors, let them know you'll haul away their scrap metal. Residential cleanouts are another great source. People are always renovating, getting rid of old appliances. Advertise your services online, put up flyers, and let people know you're the go-to person for scrap metal removal. Don't forget about businesses. Manufacturing plants, auto repair shops, even restaurants generate scrap metal. Be relentless in your pursuit. The more sources you have, the more scrap you'll get, and the more money you'll make. Section 5. It's all about connections. Building relationships in the scrap world. The scrap business is all about relationships. It's about knowing where to find the best scrap and who to sell it to. Networking is key. Talk to other scrappers. Go to industry events, even if it's just hanging out at the scrapyard. Build relationships with scrapyard owners and employees. They can be your greatest source of information and opportunity. Remember, this is a people business. Treat everyone with respect, be reliable, and always deliver on your promises. A good reputation will take you far in this industry. Section 6. Safety first. Protecting yourself and your business. We can't talk about scrap metal without talking about safety. This is a physically demanding business, and it comes with inherent risks. Always wear the proper safety gear, gloves, eye protection, steel-toed boots. When you're handling heavy objects, use proper lifting techniques. Don't be afraid to ask for help if something is too heavy. Be aware of your surroundings. Scrap yards can be hazardous environments with moving vehicles and sharp metal edges. Stay alert and aware at all times. And remember, safety isn't just about protecting yourself, it's about protecting your business. An accident can put you out of commission and damage your reputation. Always remember to consult an attorney and your local government agencies so you know you are performing your work legally. You will probably need a business license, permits, and insurance to protect yourself if tragedy strikes. Section 7. The scrap game, profits, challenges, and everything in between. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The scrap business isn't for the faint of heart. It's a tough industry that demands resilience, adaptability, and a strong work ethic. The scrap business isn't always glamorous. It's often messy, with yards filled with old machinery and heaps of discarded metal. The work can be physically demanding, requiring you to get your hands dirty and deal with the grime and rust that come with the territory. It's hard work, it's dirty. You'll find yourself lifting heavy pieces of metal, sweating under the sun, and navigating through a challenging work environment. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be substantial. You'll have to deal with unpredictable prices, competition, and the occasional difficult customer. The market for scrap metal can be volatile, with prices fluctuating based on global demand and economic conditions. This means you need to stay on your toes and be prepared for sudden changes. But the rewards can be great. When the market is in your favor, the profits can be significant. There's a unique satisfaction in seeing the fruits of your labor pay off, knowing that your hard work and perseverance have led to success. There's a real sense of satisfaction in taking something that others see as worthless and turning it into profit. The transformation process from scrap to valuable material is not just about making money, it's about creating value and contributing to a more sustainable world by recycling and reusing materials. You're your own boss, you set your own hours, and your earning potential is directly tied to your hustle. This independence is one of the most appealing aspects of the scrap business. You have the freedom to make your own decisions, manage your time, and grow your business at your own pace. The key is to stay informed, adapt to the market, and always be learning. Read industry publications, follow market trends, and network with other professionals in the field. Knowledge is power, and staying ahead of the curve can give you a competitive edge. And be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Flexibility and innovation are crucial in this industry. Whether it's finding new sources of scrap, improving your processing techniques, or exploring new markets. Being proactive and adaptable will help you thrive in the scrap game.